Most people don't have a money problem. They have a direction problem. Money comes in and money goes out. But somehow, there's never enough left. If that sounds familiar, you're not bad with money. You've just never been taught how to give it a job. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Every Thursday, I share practical strategies on money, mindset, and growth to help you live with confidence and freedom. Let's talk about why your money keeps disappearing, and how to finally fix it. Let me introduce you to James. James earns well, above average. He's comfortable on paper. Yet every month, it's the same story. Rent is paid, bills are gone, a few nights out, and a few small treats. Suddenly, it's the 25th, and he's checking his balance. Sound familiar? James wasn't reckless or irresponsible. He just spent without clarity. Money without direction leaks quietly. Where do you feel your money vanishing most? This is where everything changes. Purpose-based budgeting. Not strict budgeting. Not stressful spreadsheets. Purpose-based budgeting means every pound gets a job. Here's a simple framework: essentials, rent, council tax, food, transport. Growth, skills, courses, books, your future earning power. Future, savings, pension, long-term goals. Enjoyment, life, fun, guilt-free spending. When money has a purpose, you stop asking, "Can I afford this?" Instead, you start asking, "Is this worth delaying my future for?" That question changes behavior instantly. Now let's dive into the psychology behind this. When money feels vague, we overspend. Conversely, when money feels intentional, we pause. Clarity slows impulse, while purpose creates confidence. James didn't need more income. He needed alignment. Once he understood what his money was building, spending became calmer. Do you know what your money is meant to be doing right now? Now, here's a simple fix: the weekly money check-in. Once a week, take just 10 minutes, no judgment, no shame. Ask yourself, where did my money go? Did it match my priorities? What needs adjusting? That's it. Money management isn't about control, it's about awareness. Awareness gives power. Let me leave you with this: money with no mission disappears. Money with direction creates freedom. Your spending tells a story about your values. If you don't choose the story, your habits will choose for you. You're not behind. You're just becoming intentional. That's where real change starts. If this video helped you, hit like so more people can find it. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. What mission is your money currently working on? And don't forget to subscribe to Grow with AOHQ for weekly videos on building your wealth, mindset, and empire. We're in this together, let's grow.